Well, I've been waiting a long time for it, but I finally got the wheels that I've been wanting for my 67 Plymouth. Anyways, there they are, 15 by 6 all the way around. I wanted 15 by 7s in the back, but whatever. Torque Thrust American Racing D's. Anyways, really makes the car look a lot fucking nicer with them on there, instead of that white trash bullshit that was on there before. Anyways, someday I'll get this quarter panel replaced, but it just looks so much nicer. Oh man. Anyways, and instead of making a separate video, there's my new motor that's going in. It is a 30 over 318. It's a 68 block, steel crank, new pistons, all new parts. Pretty much a stock application motor, but I just need something that doesn't smoke, that's nice and tight, that, you know, will go in there and I can probably blow it up. Who knows? We'll see. But never been fired. You know, I'm gonna get me a new fucking Edelbrock carb today, and an MSD blaster coil, and got a new water pump and all that stuff, new motor mounts and everything to go on the thing. Gotta get me a throwout bearing first too. Anyways, but this thing should be pretty fucking sick when it's done. Going in there, I already got the 4-speed. Probably can't even see it. There we go, that's better probably, huh? Ripped up seats, automatic steering column. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. Oh yeah.